Shattered mirror in the sky, reflecting all I hide, blurring the fragments of my mind. And I don't need you to love me anymore. As long as you tell me, show me what I'm looking for. You're the first light I lost my heart in. Every time I try, I can't let go. And nothing ever goes the way you planned it. I understand that now. You're the truest, my truest lie. I'll never know. Other delusions I believe are reinventing me, and in the chaos I find my peace. And I don't need you to love me anymore. As long as you tell me, show me what I'm looking for. You're the truest light I lost my heart in. Every time I try, I can't let go. And nothing ever goes the way you planned it. I understand that now. You're the truest, my truest lie. I'll never know. My truest lie.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that?
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. When the world is getting darker, I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows.